Kamakailan ay binahagi ni Chris Aquino ang ilan sa mga changes sa kanyang buhay, lalo na ang pag-focus nito sa kanyang sakit. Ayon kay Chris Aquino, may mga team ng doctors na patuloy na tumutulong sa kanya, lalo na magkaroon ng surgical procedures na ginawa noong August 21. Kaya naman ayon kay Chris, masaya siya na may mga taong patuloy na nagpe-pray pa rin para sa kanyang kalusugan, na kung saan nagtila mas dumadami pa ang ilang mga autoimmune at kailangan nga ng patuloy na pag-iingat. Ayon kay Chris, my doctors have the next 6 months while I'm in isolation to figure out the best treatment plan for someone with as many allergies to medicine, food, and the environment. For me, it's rehabilitation physical therapy, resuming my love for cooking. I'm not allowed to be near the flame for more than a few minutes because it triggers my lupus, polymyositis, rheumatoid arthritis, and progressive systemic sclerosis flares, with an assistant and another tutorial-based activity because one is never too old to continue stimulating the brain. I have a new hashtag to remind myself how much I owe all of you who continue praying for me. Thank you for your patience, support, and much appreciated love. Hashtag Love and Peace. Nagayak naman dito ang mga netizen pati na rin ang mga kaibigang artista ni Chris Aquino na patuloy na nagpipray para sa kanya. Kaya naman isang napakagandang mensaheng ibinigay ni Gary Valenciano na isa rin sa mga kaibigan ni Chris. Hello Chris, not sure if you'll get to read this, but you are in my prayers, my friend. I've never been able to tell you this, but you once gave me an interview back in 2000 or 2001. It was there that you said certain things that boosted my level of hope and energy. I'm affected by what I've had to see you go through, but I'm truly blessed at how strong and brave a person you really are. I move at how your sons have stood by you and how much you've loved them in return. You've done an excellent job raising them up. In my darkest of moments, when I've found myself toughest of health challenges, I remind myself that I'm always in the hands of Jesus, the safest place anyone can find him or herself in. I pray that these are the same hands that continue to cradle you close to the heart of the Almighty. God bless you, Chris. When the waters and strong winds make it tough to sail, and you need more prayer support, just DM me the word now. I'll drop what I'm doing to say a prayer for you. God bless you, my friend. We'll love you, Chris. Ayon naman kay Carmina Villaruel, laban lang ninang. We love you, praying for you always. Sabi naman ni Pokwang, see you soon. Basta dito lang kami patuloy nagdarasal para sa kalusugan mo.